Shilpi. We're at the Gateway Taproom for some food pairing between great food and some really nice beer. Let's go in to check some out.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with.
Hi, this is Anurag for a Salt for Cooking and Cheers Chatty podcast, joint food and beer pairing.
Seeing all that I can learn, can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong.
So here we are with the Hefeweizen beer. It's called the Hefeweizen.
Babylon. Love, love, love.
So it gets its name from the German wheat beer. It has notes of banana and clove and is slightly citrusy. A very light, mild tasting beer, and it goes so well with the spinach and corn croquettes here, as well as the stuffed mushroom. So what's delightful is that the cheese in both the croquettes and the mushrooms is beautifully balancing the citrusy and mild flavor of the wheat beer. So I guess it's complementing, it's working very well together, and I'd recommend you try this combination when you come to the Gateway Taproom.